It's recommended by Wright's Law. They say to write your child's goals as outcomes. And when you write a goal, begin with the statement like this: my child will be able to blank by next year. My child will be able to read on first grade, moving towards second grade level by next year. This is an important tip to keep in mind also, that, your child has an individualized education plan, but schools only address your child's needs for a year or less. Schools don't make long-term plans for students, and that's why it's really important for parents to have a long-range game plan and to have a big picture for their child. I can't stress the importance of that. And another tip is, when you're doing your homework, it's a good time to make sure you know the following about your child. How does your child's disability affect their learning? How does your child need to be taught? What services and supports does your child need? Make sure that the teacher that is going to teach or work with your child, all of them, is also aware of this information and the facts about your child and how they learn best and how the disability might affect their learning. It's not always in the IEP, and teachers don't always have access to it. Planning and setting clear goals and knowing the next steps to take is extremely